Hello and welcome to Acts Aloud. This is the year-end special episode of 2020 Acts Aloud. Listen, one of the best things that has happened in the year 2020 is some of the best breakthrough content creators that has come in on the internet and everywhere through your phones, laptops, and all of it. All four of you, I have to say, Niharika, Ruhi, Yashraj, and Ronit, four of the best that I have seen this year. Welcome to Acts Aloud. Congratulations. Breakthrough in all possible ways.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ranil.
Thank you so much.
I see a lack in excitement, guys. Is this like, were you expecting?
Oh my God, thank you.
Yes.
So that's not me.
Let's go.
Quickly, all four of you, introduce yourself for everybody. Quickly tell me what you guys do. I mean, I know what you guys do for everybody, I'm saying. And also quickly tell me, what was that first video that you did that went crazy? We'll start with Ronit because he's literally 17 years old and he has to do this.
Okay, so hi guys, my name is Ronit and I am an Insta influencer. I'm not on YouTube. And my first video that got viral was one with the Ananya Pandey. The I guess the post was in June. I guess I don't know. So I did
June.
a video with Ananya Pandey. Yes, June.
June is when you started.
Yes,
So what did you do before that?
I was a TikToker.
You were TikToker. Okay. Ha. Yeah.
So वहाँ पे TikTok पे I got like actually मेरी first video TikTok पे viral हुई थी वो वाली. It was with Alia Bhatt, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
It was with Alia Bhatt and तो TikTok पे I got little fame but Instagram पे I really grew. उसके बाद अभी after Rasoda I grew too much. उसके बाद मैं अभी तोड़ा कुत्ता साड़ा कुत्ता Tommy नहीं. I'm
There we
saying it wrong.
go.
I did the trend and I'm saying it wrong. Oh my God, and I'm saying it wrong in front of Yashraj.
Yeah.
Correct.
No, but this is fab. All three of you, Ruhi, Yashraj, and Ronit. There's so much in connection. This is fab. Niharika, now you have to, one Tommy you have to do.
Oh, I just feel like I'm feeling left out now. I have to do something, man. Share.
Okay, perfect. Now Ruhi, go.
All right. So I'm Ruhi Dosani, and I was never into any content creating or anything. So the first viral video was Yashraj ka bikini shoot in
Yeah.
September and October first week, and that went crazy hype. I was making SL videos because I think Diljit Dosanjh posted one of my videos, and I was like, okay, this is fun. You know, the love
Yeah.
and everything you get, it's fun.
Yeah.
So
Totally.
the bikini shoot got really hype, and of course, Toada Kutta Tommy, Sada Kutta Kutta. So thank you, Yashraj.
But fab, I just looked at Ruhi's video right before we started. This had 19 million views.
Oh,
Yes.
super.
Thank you.
It's fab though. It's insane how internet works and people work. It's fab.
Just like Instagram posted the video, I was like, okay, that's a bet. That's like
Yeah.
Instagram handle. That's it. We're good. So,
Yeah. Perfect. Niharika?
uh,
Hello, I'm Niharika NM. I make comedy skits, sketches, and rants on Instagram and YouTube whenever I can. And I think my most viral video has been all of them. No, I'm kidding. I think my most viral one has been the one-way street one.
Yeah.
It's about how you give advice to someone saying if you love someone, you should let them go.
Correct.
actually what happened. So.
Yeah, I know. See, also like Niharika is too famous. She was on my show like a week and a half ago. We sat here and spoke about all of this. And she's like, yeah, this video only, pointer and all that. I was like, okay, correct.
You just love me too much, so you keep bringing me back.
I love you too much. I love promoting South Indian talent. I'm a very inclusive person. Diversity in university is my motto.
Hey, excuse me, you're only South Indian. You're being inclusive to South Indians. Huh?
Yes,
Being
yes.
inclusive to them.
Bringing my...
The other way around.
I don't know. See, it's 9 p.m. in where I am, and also it's the month of December. I usually stop making sense once December starts.
Oh, you've become such a Mumbai person. You've become a fraud. Like you're
I have become a
cheating
fraud.
on us
Wait,
South Indians, but okay.
Mumbai person and being a pro. What is the connection? Niharika?
Yes, correct.
Renel's actually South Indian, but he's a wannabe North Indian. And I'm like, why aren't you just proud of like us, man?
Okay.
I'm
Anyway.
kidding. I love you. So-
I know. Calm down. Okay, Yashraj, go for it.
Yeah, so I'm Yashraj Mukhate, and I am an engineer by education.
Yes.
And my first video which got viral was the Rasode Mein Kaun Tha video in August. Before that, people used to see my videos, other videos that used to get some kind of attention, but this one was the big one.
Okay, guys, I want to ask you something. Obviously, like there was one particular moment, all of these videos, right, went viral and people started recognizing all of you, and you guys blew up, right? Tell me how much of the lockdown and the pandemic. See, I'll tell you very honestly, when people ask me and people shit on like 2020, being like, okay, 2020 was such a bad year and all of that. And I say, I have no complaints. I had a great year. I did a lot of things that I wanted to do. I got time for a lot of things. I did well. I have no complaints. How much of this lockdown and quarantine and the pandemic played in you guys becoming you today?
Yeah, so actually, pandemic, when the lockdown started, nothing much changed for me, because before that also I used to be in the studio all the time. After that also I was in the studio all the time. Now also I'm in the studio only. So nothing much changed for me, but the negativity around me, the news we were getting, and all the deaths and all, it was a little sad outside. But otherwise, I was doing the same. I was.
Yeah. I mean, see, I feel also nobody should die at all. That is not. I didn't mean that. That is a problem.
Yeah.
I'm saying personally.
Yeah.
I've started attacking 10 people. Cancelled. Okay, after this, anyway. Correct, of course. But personally, for you. That's what we're discussing.
Yeah, personally, it was same actually. Nothing much changed. But the dunya azu bazu ki slow ho gayi thi, to isliye I could focus more, I guess, on my music. And I could create better.
Ruhi?
For me, it's been an amazing year. I am blessed. I feel like everything is happening, whatever I have asked or not asked for. Now even my family is here. So I feel like I started with a new job. So working from home, I used to work very hectic hours. I worked for Amazon back in the days, and it was very hectic. So now I work as a test technician. So it's like, it's not stressful. They're supportive with the work. And of course, since October, it has changed. Everything has changed. Everything the happiness is double. Surprises every day, they're double. Everything is something new. I'm waking up to new. So I am blessed. I feel like it's great. It's amazing.
Oh, fab. Gratitude is her motto.
Amazing. I won't stop saying it, I think. I feel like 2020 has been great for me.
It's true. So, it's true. Yes. Niharika?
Ditto what Ruhi said, but initially when the whole pandemic started off, it was a little challenging because I just moved here. I was by myself and wasn't like the best. It wasn't the ideal scenario that I hoped it would be. But I guess the last 2 months made the rest of the shitty year worth it. And I genuinely wake up every day feeling super grateful and blessed. So I actually can't complain.
Totally. Ronit is still giving exams. He's got exams on the 26th, guys.
नहीं सेम एज एवरीबडी सेड, लेकिन मेरे स्कूल बंद हो गए और फिर मेरे दोस्त वो ऐसे होते हैं ना फैन मूवमेंट्स वो वाला मैंने मिस कर दिया स्कूल में. माय टीचर सेड कि वी सॉ योर राखी सावंत वाली वीडियो. शी सेड वी सॉ योर राखी सावंत वाली वीडियो. आप ना ऐसा और मत बनाना. एंड इन पीटीएम शी सेड कि अब तो बोर्ड आ गए, अब तो आप पढ़ाई पे फोकस करना. मैंने कहा ठीक है, और अभी भी वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. तो बढ़िया गया. इसमें 2020 वाज नाइस टू मी. तो मेरा सबसे पहले शायद ग्रोथ शुरू हुई थी यहाँ पे. मेरी जून में शुरू हुई थी ना, तो मेरा शुरुआत से मेरा बढ़िया गया 2020.
Fab. I love how you said, वो स्कूल में फैन मोमेंट्स थोड़े कम हो गए. वो नहीं मिला. But otherwise great. Just 1.4 million on Instagram. School mein in the corridors did not happen, but that's fine.
Yeah.
But well done all of you. Do you feel like the whole older generation that we still have, for them it's still a little difficult to like understand what the space is? Ronit, you start. You are the like, see, like I understand where like, the whole branding comes in, because I started seeing him like promoting OTT shows where he's playing some 75 characters by himself.
मैंने ये कहीं पे सुना था कि जब पैसे आना शुरू हो जाते हैं तो बड़े लोग कुछ बोलते नहीं. This is the first thing.
He's a mature human being, huh? He knows everything.
My brother is very supportive. तो उसके साथ मतलब my brother is in half of my videos. तो
Yeah.
बढ़िया रहता है ऐसे ही.
Tell me, how much hard work? See, a lot of the times, because a lot of these videos are fun and like entertaining and to laugh at and all that, right? What people sometimes don't understand is also the amount of work that's put into the number of takes that you do, coming up with these ideas and fighting and shooting and all of that. Tell me what are the sort of misconceptions that people around you have about the work that you do when it comes to being an influencer or a content creator?
No, the first thing is that they feel like when people meet me outside, they feel कि मैं ऐसा ही I'm always dancing and I'm always making funny videos. And there's one misconception that has happened of my content particularly, that is that people think कि I make funny videos and I do music side by side थोड़ा सा. But it's completely ulta. I do music and it happens to be the videos are funny.
Correct.
So that is one misconception that I'm going to change dhire as I put my content out.
I feel like I create misconceptions. Nobody knows where I live. Nobody knows what I do. I put my locations also, Jalgaon, Thane, and I do get DMs. You Thane मध्ये आहेस? अरे
Yeah, today I saw one. It says Sanjeev Gandhi National Park. So I thought you'd come to Bombay. And I was going to call you and like, where do you live? Like in RA Colony, where is it?
But I think that's the only and also one more thing. I think people think it is easy to just dance, but there are different. I think day by day, each video, there's like something I have to add to it.
Something that I also see while we're on the topic of this not being a very easy thing to do and do it successfully. Every time like there's a content creator related conversation on this show or anywhere, and there are people sending in questions. The only like a huge majority of questions that I get is how to become a celebrity, how to become famous on Instagram. But like, how do you react to people who's like, "Hame bhi famous banna hai, aapki tarah." How do you react to stuff like that?
I'm like, okay, then do it. Like, it's not like I know how to do it. I only don't know what's happening. I'm still taking one day at a time. If you're like, how did you do it? I'm like, dude, I actually don't know. You just, scroll back, see what I probably did. Try something similar or different maybe so that the same thing happens to you. But I don't have an answer. There's no formula to it, right? You just don't know what people think on a particular day. You get lucky, you get lucky.
Any of you guys?
Call it luck. Sorry, I feel like we all worked really hard to get here. I'm not going to say we got it.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Just don't give up. मतलब वीडियो डालते रहो एक ना एक कोई अच्छी चली जाएगी. ये मेरा मोटो था 4 साल तक चला फिर हो गया. तो बस तो
yeah. Being on social media, difficult for women particularly because of like beauty standards that are already in the society and the way, you look a certain way and all of that.
I think how I am is what people like.
Yeah.
I feel like if I go for the beauty, if I wear a sari, I wouldn't be here right now. If I wear a sexy, I would be girly. I think I wouldn't be me.
Yeah.
I do get stuff like topi kyun dali, sar kyun cover kiya, chashma kyun pehna hai, and if I don't wear it, chashma kahan hai, topi kahan hai. Are like so it's like they do have little it's in bits. I do get comments like, I want to see you in aisa thoda ekdam girly way mein. I'm like, mood karega, I'll give you some tadka, aise thodi chalte firte. And the most important thing is the choti. They're like, the choti for me is my confidence. I feel like even if the choti is on the right hand side, I wouldn't be me. I would be like, yeah, it feels so like it feels very weird.
Yeah.
So I feel like me with my hair down and everything. I know people want to see that. But I feel like it's on. If I feel comfortable, I'll do it. If I don't feel comfortable, I won't do it.
Good, perfect. Harika?
I guess like most people that do comedy, women especially, they like, being extremely raw in front of the camera, like whatever. I do like looking put together all the time. It just makes me feel good, like if my hair's sitting right, if my face looks done, I just like how that feels. And I guess that's also a part of the shock factor because when I open my mouth, my face doesn't go with what I'm saying. So it's like, whoa, like what is she, like, and I like that. And I just it works for me.
Yeah, well, clearly worked for you very, very well. But Ronit, your case is very, very interesting because you blew up when you were 16 years old, right? Now you're 17. How does this happen? Like, I don't understand, like, your content is sort of consumed by like millions of viewers, all of yours are. And you, like, I see like the whole engagement situation on it. There are people from the industry following you, all of you in that, for that matter. But at the end of the day, you are the one who's 17 years old. How do you take this? Because I can't even imagine the kind of things that people would say, because I mean, I'm sure I know there's a lot of love, but I know like people are shameless sometimes. They have no filter. They can say like really shameless things. How do you manage it? How do you manage to learn to take care of it at the age of 17?
I started, मतलब लोगों ने कहा कि he is the only creator without any haters and stuff like that. मतलब सबको कहा होगा, I guess. इतना झूठ है ना ये, भगवान कसम, मतलब सबको हेट मिलता है. मुझे तो बहुत क्या क्या बोलते हैं, क्या बोलूं मैं. यहाँ पे गालियां बोल सकते हैं लेकिन बताऊंगा नहीं. बहुत ही कुछ तो होते हैं कि मतलब डीएम करके गंदा बोलते हैं, आपको फॉलो कर रहे होते हैं, फिर आप उनसे पंगे लो तो वो कहते हैं कि हमने तो ऐसे ही मजे में लिए, आपसे मजे में ऐसे करने के लिए किया. तो अब क्या होता है कि मेरा दिन तो बुरा जाता ही जाता है. अब मैं उसको रिप्लाई करके फिर वो भी उसका वो मैं कर लेता हूँ कि ठीक है चल अब तो सॉरी बोल मेरे को. बस यही है. मैं हेट के बारे में कुछ कह नहीं सकता, लव बहुत है.
Correct. But you reply or what once in a while? You do?
100%. Yes.
You shouldn't, huh? I don't think you should.
Never reply. That's what they want.
Yeah. But Ronit, you don't get this thing or what? When you reply, they don't be like, oh no, but we actually love you.
That's what
I'm saying. That's what everyone is saying, because this is exactly what they want. They want you to reply. They can be like, oh, like DM has happened. But the thing is, the whole thing is they can also send you a lot of love and you can reply too. That's a better option, no, always.
I have started getting a little bit कि इतना funny नहीं है, not ये इतना funny नहीं है, इतना क्यों इस overrated है, इतना क्यों इसका ये कर रहे हैं, इतना viral क्यों किया. और मुझे बोलते हैं कि मतलब मैंने थोड़ी किया viral, आप लोगों ने किया है ना, मतलब मुझे क्यों बोल रहे हो. तो I get मैंने ये भी I saw one post जिसमें he had made this कि इतना क्या कर रहा है, overrated है, and below that post only he has only commented when fans go there and they say defend me, the people who like my work, they go there and tell कि ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है, क्यों डाला तूने. So he is like no actually I like his work, but ये post मेरा, because his whole profile is like that, he only puts negative content there.
Okay.
Yeah, trolls. So I don't get it कि मेरा तो दिन खराब हो गया ना, मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ उसके बारे में 10 घंटे से.
Yeah. My God, this is true. What do you have to tell people who are sort of getting into this whole pressure of we all want to be influencers and social media personalities and just go ahead and buy followers, and then you just look at their engagement, which is just one glance, you see like 1 million like followers and you see like 346 views on one video. What do you have to tell people who are at the end of the day I feel sad also, because I'm like, you're in some race with nobody else, and you feel like this 1 million is so important that you have to like buy it. What do you have, each of you, what do you have to tell people who are sort of doing this?
फायदा ही नहीं है. आप 1 मिलियन लगा के आपको कुछ पैसा वैसा नहीं मिल रहा. आप कर क्या रहे हो 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स के साथ? शो ऑफ के लिए. मेरा दोस्त कहता है कि मुझे ना 300 फॉलोअर्स पे वेरिफिकेशन बैच चाहिए. हमारे स्कूल में 2 वेरिफिकेशन बैच वाले होंगे. मैंने कहा यार फायदा क्या होगा तेरे को? Why does he want it? मतलब it's his wish, but if you're going to post your photos and your dog's photo, you're not going to get a verification badge out of it.
Yeah. True.
Some dog accounts have, dog accounts have more followers than humans sometimes. I follow so many dog accounts. They're so cute.
Because you're not allowed to follow like accounts of guys.
What?
Yeah, your mother won't allow you. You're like, you follow dogs.
No, I too follow Allu Arjun and Mahesh Babu, and I'm always scrolling through their pictures. I'm like, wow, like Allu Arjun's wife probably follows me, but I'm following her husband and staring at him. I just feel bad.
Every episode she's coming with some like piping hot tea. Anyway.
Let me say anything, and you just like make it sound like I said something scandalous.
People go for numbers. If that's what they're looking at, people actually go and look at the engagement.
Yeah.
If you get 1 million and you have 5,000 likes, chalo yaar.
Yeah. And I see like 14 comments and all that. I'm like, what happened to the other 900,000, 900 and whatever people?
That too, they are only responding to the comment.
Yeah. But out of which 14, only 5 are people, and the other is a conversation between those 5.
But I don't know, is it real? Is it real? You can buy views and followers on Instagram?
Of course. What do you mean?
Oh, I didn't know this.
Yeah.
How much is it? Like, is it expensive or how are they affording this?
I know. So I know about people in the industry who have bought stuff, and like I've heard that if you have, because see, I'll tell you what happens is in the industry with actors, it's like this thing where if like
Who
someone
Reddit?
with,
Which actor bought
Very
followers?
smart.
I'm not taking any names. I'm not taking any names, but I'm giving you reasoning. Okay, I'm giving you reasoning.
I also want piping hot tea.
No, see, I'm giving you the tea without the brand of the tea.
Okay.
Yeah. So the reasoning is if for example, one actor has like 5 million followers and the other person has like 1 million, but their engagement is the same. Okay. Is relatively the same only. Then what happens is the 1 million person, but like the 1 million person might be losing out on brands because the other person has 5.
Mhm.
Then they might as well because my engagement is the same only. So what I've heard is if you have to get those followers that are very loyal and like sticks and engages with you and all of that, then that's a lot more money. You have to put in like extra money to like buy these people.
Wow. You know a lot, huh? Saying.
It's a legit business. The next segment is fan questions. We all put out stories asking your fans to send in questions. There were quite a lot.
यार यहाँ पे दाढ़ी पे कहाँ मैं क्या लगा हुआ है I don't think they understand कि ये कैसा दिखेगा and I don't know how the marketing team works.
They were like, you did bikini shoot. We were so hyped. We were like big fans. But I want you to promote the bikini vaccine thing. I was like, yeah, you know my mom? I mean, yeah, she's cool on social media. Behind the screen, she'll be like come here, दिखाने पे तो नहीं है bikini vaccine दिखाने.
I will start with Yash Raj. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Kanak7103 is asking you. Kanak_7103 is asking you. Who were you inspired by? Who's your idol?
These dialogue videos are inspired by Dub Sharma.
Okay.
And my music influences A.R. Rahman and Amit Trivedi.
Oh, fab. Okay. Now, this user's name is, see this pronounced, Meow. Okay, it is MEMAYAOOW, like that. Okay. Is Yash Raj in a relationship?
No, I am single.
You're single. Okay. I think she is meowing right now. Or he, I don't know.
Oh, Redil, yeah.
Okay, Eric Mantic _identity is asking, who's your Bollywood crush?
Yeah, it's Nora Fateh. Yeah.
Nora Fateh.
I love Nora Fateh.
Fab. Okay. This footage I'm sending. Fab, I love it. Okay, that were all your questions from your fans. Yash Raj. Now, Ronit, your turn, okay? Ria dot underscore is asking. If you get bullied for the content you create, how do you overcome it or deal with it?
I just ignore it. भाई बहुत सारे हैं. You cannot just stick to it.
Correct.
अब अगले दिन की नई सुबह तो देखनी है आपको.
My God.
I'm talking like a Gyani now, I guess.
Yeah, you should.
I'll go to the Himalayas.
Shreya is typing, is asking you, it's hilarious how you make a gown out of garbage bags. Where did that idea come from?
I have always been creative. Yeah. I have been doing drawings and stuff and the make it out of waste, I guess. मेरे school में करते थे ये. So I got it from there. Garbage bag was a clever idea. मेरे को खुद नहीं पता कैसे आया.
Yeah, but fab, it's very interesting. It's like a big part of what you do also. Like, I mean, I think it would still look good if you did the same kind of outfit and all of that. But this adds on so much. Well done. Now, this is an important question, okay, Ronit. A lot of people in the industry want to know also, but this is from Optimizer_Pratham. You also have to be careful while answering this, but I want honest answers. Who's your favorite female actor from Bollywood?
Oh, maybe.
He has left or what? He left.
Did he?
He said, bye, I'm out.
He's like, I'm not doing
He
this.
said, yes, he said wrong question. Mm-mm.
Who is it, Ronit? Come on. Some 10 people have already asked me this. Because apparently actors are going behind him saying, why are you not doing me? Why are you not doing me?
I saw Sunny Leone saying that. Why are you not doing me? Then I made one on.
Is this illegal or what?
Wow.
Because he's 17?
Yes,
Say this?
Redil.
Oh my
Okay.
God, you guys made me say stuff. मतलब क्या ही बोलूं मैं?
You guys must hold. What Renal made you say? What you guys? Don't drag us into this show.
But tell, who's your favorite female actor?
It's like half Alia Bhatt, half Ananya Pandey because I'm the combination of two.
My God. Fab. Okay, this is fab. I think you've killed it. Now this one, Ruhi, it's your turn. Okay, thank you, Ronis, for all the answers. Ruhi, Rao.s is asking, what is one thing you will do before the world ends? Quite morbid.
Wow, I got some Google
Rohit
questions.
is the
One
toughest
thing,
question.
yeah, I think I want to enjoy that the pyar in person. I want to come to India right now because of everything going around. I cannot travel.
Yeah,
So koi khulwa do yaar, airport khulwa do, please.
correct.
Tourism khulwa do, and I'll come. That's my
Coming to
only thing right
India.
now.
Coming to India is one thing that
Yes,
she wants to
coming to
do before
India
the
is
world
my
ends.
answer.
Perfect.
Yes.
Now this is one _.zreal.21 whatever. How do you make your non-Indian friends dance on Bollywood songs?
How do I make them do it? I just put on the music, I dance, and then they join.
Yeah,
Literally,
just
like
vibe.
literally, that's the BTS. They just
Yeah.
vibe, and I feel like I do the same thing when they play some music. So,
Yeah.
and now they're liking and loving the love and appreciation. So it's not extremely easy, but it's like if they're loving it, that's the most important part.
Yeah.
So
It's fun.
yes,
Perfect. Okay,
it
and
is
finally,
extremely fun.
yeah. And finally, Jasmine Jerry is asking, does she have a crush on Niharika?
What?
It's there. Good question. I don't know.
Niharika, you have to text me and let me know if I can spill it out like my heart and
What
everything.
garbage?
What God?
You're gonna break my heart like that,
You have,
Niharika.
I love you. You don't have to have a
Nah.
crush. I'm so in love with you.
She broke my heart right there. I was
Correct.
gonna, put out my I mean, who wouldn't have a crush on her? Look at her.
Yeah, that's true.
I do
On
have
this
a crush
note,
on her.
on this note, I will go to Niharika's questions. The first one is from Rajamanikam 1975 is asking, what qualities are you looking for in a life partner?
Wow.
I'm just so thrown off by it. Hold on. Okay.
He should have a South Indian accent and should be funny like me.
Actually, he should either look like Allu Arjun or Mahesh Babu or Ruhi.
I'm heartbroken. I'm heartbroken. That's it. I'm leaving.
Or Ruhi. She said or Ruhi.
No, she said oh, but okay, fine. Now I'm happy.
Allu Arjun, Mahesh Babu, Ruhi. Just
Same level.
yeah. No,
Yeah.
They should look either like Allu Arjun or Mahesh Babu, or I'll just take Ruhi.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Am
Okay.
I the third option?
You're
like
not
aise
an
kuch nahi
option, you're
chala
a
to-
choice.
It's a compliment. It's a compliment. For South Indians, it's a huge compliment. Allu Arjun, Mahesh Babu, very, very, very.
I'll take it. I'll take it. I'm just kidding.
Very
I'll
good,
take
very good. That's the only quality you want, what?
Yeah. What?
That's it.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Seen
Just
Mahesh
look.
Babu? Shah? What are you talking about? Every time I'm like, please.
Mrunal _Mirani is asking, which is one social cause that you strongly support?
I think I'm against hate speech and cyberbullying, and I've been a part of Creators for Change with YouTube as a part of that, and I strongly do believe in it because I've been bullied as a kid for being a chubby fat kid, and I know how it can be shitty, and I just don't want other people to go through that. So I strongly stand for that. So
yeah, fab. I love that. When will you make your South Indian debut? Infinite.Tales is asking.
When somebody asks me to be in their movie, we'll see. I'll be ready. I'll be like, "Hi, me here. Thank you." So, no plans of doing anything like that soon. Got to get my master's and become an entrepreneur, but we'll see.
Yeah. Okay, this is the last question. It came from Niharika, but all four of you can answer. This from Extraterrestrial. There's a 3 in the middle. Despite having so many followers and fans, have you ever felt lonely or depressed?
I feel like we all have our low depressed days.
Yeah.
And just, you got to pull through it so that your highs are even more high when your lows are lower. So of course.
Yeah.
The followers thing is on the internet. It's all virtual. If you take it seriously, if you think if 1 million people are with me, then you are screwed up then.
Yeah.
So it is not like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
True. Ruhi?
Not only that, I feel like what you show on the internet is not always they see me smiling in the pictures all the time. I do have rough days, and I feel like everybody goes through something. And once you get to know them, you're like, are you serious? Like, even, because everybody wants more and more and more.
Yeah.
So I feel like that will never stop. So I feel like everybody gets lonely, sad. Yes. Everybody has them days.
Yeah. Ronit?
I have friends because I'm in school. People usually leave their friends after school. So I have best friends. So guys, I have a group of friends, the 5 friends. Like I can talk to them anytime, and I can just call them, video call them. उनकी शक्लें देख के सही लगता है कभी-कभी तो. पर or I'll talk to my brother. That's it. मेरे को इतना बुरा नहीं लगता कि lonely हूँ या मैं कुछ.
How nicely said. I have friends because I'm in school. I remember those days. Very in the past. Anyway, okay. These were all the questions. Now we have a quick game called Quickie. Okay, these are quick questions and quick answers. I will not delve into the details of this because we have an underage child in this group. The questions are very simple.
Are we getting a hamper? What? Are you going to parcel the hamper? Or
Ronit, I'm telling you, you've been getting Coffee with Current references right from the beginning. This is not that show. I know you have some account called Bhagvia123 Ruhi or something like that, where you, every video under that you comment saying, oh, Renil Abraham is what you get when Karan Johar is ordered on Amazon and all of that. I know, it is you.
Oh, shit. All right.
But so funny though, I love that comment where they said Renil is what you get when you order Karan Johar on Amazon.
You're such a sport.
And I get that all the time. I'm the Amazon version of Ananya Pandey.
Yeah, I do think you're a goofy version of Ananya Pandey.
And that is true.
There we go. See, hyping people up. Well done. Well done. Creators for change, Niharika, well done.
No, I love it. I love all of them here. Yeah, especially Ronit. He's like my little. I don't know. He's such a cute little bacha. I love him.
He is.
We talked yesterday.
Yashraj is
And I said,
fantastic.
I feel like whenever he talks, it's like, keep talking. Like he was like, he wants a YouTube channel ka thing. Like just start talking. Just get a camera and just be like, मैं ज्ञानी हूँ and everything. So cute. Like just.
Yeah, you should totally.
So genuine.
Yeah.
I feel like.
Fully. What is the worst comment that you've received, that you've ever received? It can be funny and all of that. So it doesn't have to be like negative, but like the funniest comment you've received.
When I'm thinking about, oh my god, I'm not good at quickies.
Same. Oh, wow.
Good for you. Good for your mother.
Well, I'm talking about the game, Rama. What are you talking about?
I will burn, the mother will burn you.
Comment.
Okay, chalo.
I feel like it's not funny. It's not even as a hate. I feel like they just go for like ye kya tomboy lag rahi hai types, and I'm like, that's so 2000. I could never.
Yeah.
Tadkedar, like give some new name or something. But I feel like that's not a hate comment. But I feel like that's the only thing I can think of right now.
Who is that? Come up with a new name for it.
Hi, what is tomboy? Like,
Yeah.
It's boring.
That's so true. Yeah.
Funny comment.
Funny comment is ये इतना भी funny नहीं है. That one.
Like that I get a few comments कि ये इतना भी funny नहीं, overrated है, इतना यशराज को इतना मत चढ़ाओ. And he gets like two likes on his comments, and I'm happy with that too.
Ronit?
Meme pages, I've seen a lot of comments about me. And the replies are all be so sassy, I guess. But I don't remember any. I don't know, dude. I guess if Niharika remembers her comments, she'll make a video out of it. So I don't think that she has it. But
Yeah.
I don't remember any comment. मैं दोस्त करते हैं अजीब अजीब से बस.
Okay, that's fine. Niharika, do you remember anything?
I don't remember a comment, but I saw a meme initially. This was like the first sort of negative meme, but I thought it was really funny. The video started with me saying, "You know what's funny?" And then it cuts to Michael Scott saying, "No!" I was like, I died. I laughed for like 10 minutes. I sent it to all my friends, and they were like, "Dude, this is mean." And I'm like, "No, but it's funny."
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, that's too good. That's actually funny. This is good. Okay, according to you, which one's your least favorite Indian YouTube channel?
Wow.
What is the name of Dinchak Pooja's YouTube channel?
Dinchak Pooja.
Yeah.
It's Dinchak Pooja, yeah.
That's correct. Oh, the unanimous.
I love Dinchak Pooja. It's all content for me.
Correct.
But it's very good, I guess. I should not say her name though. The people who do react, but they do not give any expressions.
Yeah.
Yeah. Correct. Niharika, do you have one?
No, dude, same reaction channels. I feel like I've watched so many people react to my YouTube videos, and it's just just blank. And I'm like, at least smile, no? So I know it's funny because nothing, just blank face. He's watching the whole funny video. So yeah, reaction channels are not my favorite.
Now, next one, without taking names. Okay, what was the weirdest collab request, like a brand collab request that came your way?
I'll go first. I just got a brand collab thing for a cream brand, which I was supposed to make a reel and put cream on my face and my sister's face and do that song with them. I don't think they understand कि ये कैसा दिखेगा, and I don't know how the marketing team works. They just came with the brand and इसको ऐसे लगा कि आपको उसके साथ गाना गाना है और lip sync करना है. बोला मेरे से नहीं होगा.
My God. Yeah. Okay, that's interesting. Ronit?
I was asked about the night, a nighty situation, the girls wear nighties.
Yeah.
I got a collaboration for that we'll send you a nighty and you have to make a video in that. That's it.
This is a barter deal.
Nighty, and that too nighty. I don't know what I'll do with nighty.
We'll send you a free nighty. You use it whatever, whenever you're free, you can wear it. But one video, you make it with it. My God. Ruhi and Niharika, you couldn't stop laughing from when I asked this question. You guys have something. Go for it.
Yes, I'll go. So when I did the bikini shoot, right, I literally got an email saying that we have a bikini waxing promotion thing. I'm like, wait, hold on. How do I promote that, first of all? Second of all, they were like, you did bikini shoot. We were so hyped. We were like big fans. But I want you to promote the bikini waxing thing. I was like, yeah, my mom. I mean, yeah, she's cool on social media. Behind the screen, she'll be like, come here, dikhandi pe tunu aise bikini waxing dikhandi. But yes, I was like, I also thought about it. The worst part is I thought about a content. I was like, kya kuch kar sakti ho kya?
अगर करना है तो कर सकते हैं, but not for now.
No.
Niharika.
On this show, I'm not going to say what it was about.
What was it about? Tell which thing? What nonsense there? What did you lie about?
I'm not going to tell you to find out.
I lied on this show about the actress thing. Thank you.
So it's not Alia Bhatt or Ananya Pandey.
I said half Alia Bhatt and Ananya Pandey.
So it's only one actually.
You'll never know.
Such bloody people. You guys are coming on the show. How shameless you are. You're telling me also you lied on the show.
If I'm being honest.
No, you could have lied again, and the next time you could have said, no, some other show you lied on. If lying was so easy for you, you could have just lied to my face.
I did lie to your face today.
Okay, now you're coming clean about it. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Ruhi,
that's because I love it, coming clean.
Did you lie on the show?
No, I did not. No, I did not. Did I answer the question about me having a crush on Niharika? Psych. But I did not lie about anything on this. I'm just kidding. No.
We literally mess around too much, which is why questions like this come up. I feel like
I am shipping #Neeru.
I don't like the name.
He made that on the podcast.
Cliche.
Neeru in South Indian language is water only, na?
Yeah, but no, I don't like it. Ew. I was with you. I was feeling you till you said Neeru. I was like, what? No. It sounds like a Nandini milk brand. No.
That Nandini milk.
Neeru sounds like a milk brand. Cow's milk only. Like, you know what I mean? Just. This is a collab that didn't go through. It was with an OTT platform and there was an artist involved. And I get a call like a day after we shot their part, and they were just like, Niharika, by the way, can you make sure to tie your hair up when you're shooting your part? And also can you tone down your, your look? We just want you to outshine our artist. And I'm like, what? Like, what do you do? It's like, can you tie your hair? And we were just like, how about no? Thank you.
What the hell? See, like you said, I'm hoping that it didn't go through. You didn't put it out.
No, we didn't.
Good. My God, sometimes people are so silly.
Yeah.
Okay, and finally, this is the last question, and we end the show after this. When was the last time you lied online, and what was it about? I only lie when I say So many people ask me about this, which is why I'm doing it for nobody has asked.
No. No, because
Ronit
people know,
is
people get
so
to
cute.
know.
Yeah.
We can't afford to lie. Like
Ronit, I see you.
Yeah, that's
Ronit
true.
is adorable.
Yeah. Listen, guys, thank you so much. This was you quickie. All of you, well done. Except for these two lying people in two corners.
Just,
Thank you.
I think they came out over, and Ronit also added a cute hashtag. If you missed out, it's very
Yeah.
cute. Ronit very creative.
yeah, I love it.
I'm very impressed. Now I'm hype.
Thank you.
I'm gonna come up with that now. Yes,
Ruby's speechless. She's fumbling with love for Ronit.
I'm so happy. Yes, it's for everyone, to be honest here. Not only
Yeah.
Ronit, everybody. It's like I got so excited when I came to know, I was with, again, with Yashraj, Niharika and Ron. I was like, okay, this is gonna be fun. But everybody is great.
Thank you so much, you guys. Listen, congratulations to all of you. And this is for the hard work that you've put in, right? Because like this year has been quite a show for a lot of people. It's not been the best for a lot of people, but for a lot of people who had trouble going through this, you guys did give that entertainment, which put a smile on all of their faces, which is great. I mean, listen, from Yashraj, listen, everyone was listening to your tunes. Everyone's been dancing. It's been trending everywhere. The only thing that I could hear when that bikini dance came out was bikini shoot. And from that, all of that Rasode Me Konta, this only became famous with you. Well done, Ronit. I don't think anybody even thought of something like this until you started. This is fab. And I see so many creators coming up now doing what you do. I think you've started something that nobody even thought of. Ruhi, well done with the trending game that you started. I think the videos that you do with it's so real and it's just like people vibing, which I think is the best part of it. It's very natural and fun and very chill. No part of it is boring. Fab and Niharika, you're South Indian. Oh my God, I've spoken too much, but I will not stop because it's Niharika, my South Indian talent Hudgi. I got so much hate the last time because they were like, how can you not know Bengaluru or something like that? But Niharika, fam, relatable content to its best. And I think I told you the last time you were here, I told you 1 million is very, very close by, and you did it. Well done. In 2 months, from 100K to 1 million. All of you, well done with what you do. Thank you so much for coming on Acts Aloud. At the end of it, we do something called the Acts Aloud virtual hug. I will give you a hug in person, but we can't because of social distancing. So you can just extend your arms and pretend like you're hugging, and we will take a screen grab.
Yay!
Okay, perfect. Niharika is doing a side angle in this also, like all her pictures.
She needs your.
When you know your side
my bloody editors gave me so much tension because they're like front facing chahiye, and I was like front facing. She doesn't look like that anymore. Front facing was 10 years ago.
This is my angle. What is the editor? This angle you put now. What you're telling which angle to sit? Angle means
Okay, thank you so much, guys. I'm closing this because Ronit has to study for an exam, guys. Ronit, what exam do you have next?
Yes.
Maths tomorrow.
My God, tomorrow. Okay, you go study, beta.
Good luck.
Okay.